What is up, guys, and welcome to the Capitalist Investor YouTube channel, back with another video. Today's video is 2 shares I'd buy before Christmas. Let's get into this video. With Christmas fast approaching and the stock market receiving a huge boost from a conservative majority, here are 2 shares on my radar that I'd buy before Christmas. The first is Serco, ticker LSE-SRP. The outsourcing group Serco has been through some bleak years in recent times, primarily because of the scandal around the electronic tagging of criminals that were either dead, in jail, or had left the country. It led to massive fines for the company, although it was not the only outsourcer to be involved in scandals. For example, G4S famously struggled to recruit enough security guards for the London Olympics. The CEO commented, Serco will start to pay its first dividend to investors since 2014, and the share price has risen over the last year by 60%. The firm has just said this month that it is expected record order intake to drive a surge in profit for 2019, with further growth expected in 2020. It has forecast a 30% rise in underlying trading profits to around 120 million for the calendar year. Serco appears to be growing well in all regions, particularly in North America and Asia Pacific, but organic growth was also achieved in the UK. The removal of political uncertainty in the UK and the preference for conservatives to outsource where possible ought to boost the shares further, though they are looking a little expensive with a price to earnings ratio of currently 28. A good stock that we should definitely monitor going forward. My second stock is Pennon, ticker LSE-PNN. Management at the waste and water group Pennon will likely be delighted at the election result, as it removes the threat of nationalisation. And this being said, the shares jumped 10% on Friday, the day of the election result was announced, for this very reason. Combining waste management and a water business gives Pennon Group more potential than most utility companies. Southwest Water has always been a well-performing business, leading to performance-related awards from the regulator, which helps boost revenues and profits. It's unlikely this operational success will change anytime soon. Verindor is looking to tap into this need for greater recycling of plastics, a trend that is likely only to increase. A new plastics recycling facility at Avonmouth is the group's first effort to capitalise on that opportunity. While Verindor to get the headlines, the majority of profit is still generated in the regulated water business, and it is this that has underpinned the current dividend policy, which lasts to 2020, namely to increase the payout by RPI inflation plus 4 percentage points each year. Despite last week's share price boost, the shares still look good value, combining a low PE with a generous and growing dividend. The shares trade on a PE of 15 and have a dividend yield of just over 4%. So another stock that I would recommend purchasing before the end of the year. Serco and Pennon are both quality businesses that have potential to keep growing in the next few years. I'd expect shareholders to do well from both, and this is why I'm tempted to buy them before Christmas. Although, guys, please do remember that I'm not a financial advisor, and if you do invest in these companies, you do so at your own risk. I cannot be held accountable for any purchases of these shares. That being said, I think these are great buying opportunities, and you will see that I will be investing in these in my portfolio updates going forwards. That's it for today's video. I hope you've enjoyed this one, and slightly different to the previous videos that I've done. I'd love some feedback on it, so if you could drop me a like and a comment below, that'd be really appreciated. Until next time, guys, peace!